Fit Radio Honest Review. Watch before using. Fit Radio is a fitness app designed for those who want high-energy music to power through their workouts. It offers curated playlists specifically crafted to match the intensity of various exercises, from cardio and running to strength training and cycling. One standout feature is the real-time BPM, beats per minute matching, which adjusts music tempo based on your workout pace. Perfect for runners or anyone who wants to stay in rhythm. Another benefit is the variety of DJ mixes across different genres, ensuring you won't get bored with the same old songs. Fit Radio also includes personalized coaching, providing guided workouts with a mix of motivating music and coaching tips. These are great if you're looking for a boost of energy or struggle to stay focused during your workouts. The app's user interface is clean and easy to navigate, with playlists and workout options clearly laid out, so you can quickly find what you need. However, if you're someone who likes more flexibility in music choice or prefers personalized playlists, like on Spotify or Apple Music, you might find Fit Radio a bit restrictive in its music selections, as it's designed around preset mixes. The app is ideal for fitness enthusiasts who thrive on music-driven motivation, especially runners and gym-goers who need that extra push. But if you're looking for in-depth workout tracking, such as heart rate monitoring or detailed fitness metrics, Fit Radio isn't equipped for that. It's focused on providing great music and basic coaching, rather than being a comprehensive fitness tool. Overall, if you're someone who gets bored easily during workouts and needs consistent, motivating music to stay on track, Fit Radio could be the perfect solution. Just be aware that its strength lies in its music and DJ mixes, not in advanced fitness tracking.